500 kilometers from my hometown. So every weekend I am traveling to my hometown. For that, I wrote my feelings in what I'm traveling to my hometown and again returning to my job. So I wrote in Kannada one poetry. Uh, yeah, this is like ವಾರದ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನನ್ನೂರಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ವಾರದ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನನ್ನೂರಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕಾದಿತ್ತು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಸವಿದು ಕುಂತೆ ಅಪ್ಪನಡಿಗೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆ ಜಾರಿದೆ ನಿದ್ರೆಗೆ ಈ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ತಂಪಿಗೆ ಈ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ತಂಪಿಗೆ ಹರಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ಚಾಕರಿಗೆ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದು ನಿಂತಿರುವ ರೈಲಿಗೆ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದು ನಿಂತಿರುವ ರೈಲಿಗೆ ದೇವರೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಲಾರೇನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಯುವೆನು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದ ಕೊನೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ so after moving to my hometown, my mummy is preparing good and fine hot food. She is waiting for me, and after eating food, I've been slightly sitting to my father and taking a deep chat. Some what are the going weekly initiates, so we are discussing together. And after that, my mom will call, let's sleep on his toes, and I will get to after sleeping to his toe, and I will get a nice sleep in his toe. And unknowingly I am getting what I should tell, ತಾಯಿ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ದಲೇ ಒಂದು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಐ ಸ್ಲೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೈಟ್, moonlight night. I will get a full-fledged night of deep sleep. So again I will get to know morning is came. Again I want to return to my job. Hurry I will get to the train, and again I want to come back. So these things God has made to me. Again I want to return to my job. So I enjoyed only 2 days with my mom dad. So God has made so jealousy on me. By seeing this I wrote this. And one more I wrote. When I'm returning from evening job work, so I wrote, ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಹಠಾತ್ತನೆ ಕಿವಿ ನಿಮಿರಿಸಿದ ಕವಿತೆ. So after finishing my job, while returning to my home, so it got, ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳು ಕರೆದಿಹುದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳು ಕರೆದಿಹುದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯಿಂದ ದಣಿದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ ಉಲ್ಬಣಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ ಮನವು ಕಾದಿದೆ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ತಂಪಿಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಬೀನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, when it will be getting evening. So overall working in day from morning to till evening, they will know what are keep sitting and we are working on in front of system. It's getting when is the night it will come, and moonlight, that to moonlight we have some connection between moon and us, so the initiate will happens. So we are waiting. So this was the poetry I wrote. Still many more I have, whenever I will keep for next weeks. Thank you so much. And I will quote the word Saras said when I came for first Asli Kahani. So he said, always people should be in grounded. The words has been quoted. I've been many more times while in my office I have been saying these words. Thank you.